Hello guys, welcome back in today's crypto technical analysis. And today, as usual, we do a multiple time frame analysis for BTC. However, before we start, I've got a small request. If you guys are learning and enjoying from the content, do not forget to like the video, and if you're new to the channel, subscribe and activate the bell so you do not miss the accurate market updates. Yesterday we had a weekly close and there is not much change based on a weekly time frame. The levels which I keep mentioning in the last couple of months, 33,000 in the first place, all the way up to $36,500 without claiming this level as a support. It's going to be early for us to talk about the weekly time frame. We'll get back into the consolidation level. Moving on to a daily time frame. Based on the daily time frame, one after another with the shooting stars, we got closed below the $25,000. As soon as we broke 28,000, 29,000, and we came all the way up to 17,500. And this level, 25,000, 24,800, became the resistance level. And these levels are provided in advance, as you can see. First rejection, and then the few days rejection, the second rejection. And after that, we saw a decent dump in the market, a little bit of consolidation, and we saw the second leg down. However, based on a lower time frame, we can see an interesting scenario in a minute. At this moment, without claiming $22,000, ideally $22,500, as a support, it's going to be early for us to talk about the daily time frame. We'll get back into the consolidation level. However, as you see, in this area, we failed the daily time frame, hold the level, and got rejection right from the daily resistance, and stayed few days based on a daily time frame consolidation level, and we had a harsh decline in the market once we lost $23,000, which was a very important support level, and we had these levels in advance, as I said. Based on a daily time frame, as soon as we got the rejection right from $60,000, $59,500, retested the support as a resistance to the dollar. Then we saw a first leg down, a little bit of consolidation. Then we saw a second leg down. And at the moment, we're having another consolidation on a daily time frame, and the time is ticking against the bulls. So we saw if you manage to exit from higher time frame from those levels, $60,000, $59,500-ish, we saw a massive 70% dump with the current price action, as I said, over 65% dump in the market. And if you're doing a leverage, you do the math for yourself. And as I said, without claiming in the first place $23,000, $22,500, it's going to be early for you to think about the exit level based on a daily time frame. And even though if we're going to claim $23,000 as a support, 22.5, the daily time frame will get back into the consolidation level, and that doesn't guarantee you that the daily time frame will not get a rejection from the daily resistance above $23,000, and we will have a trend change based on a higher time frame. Moving on to 4-hour time frame. Before we move on to further analysis, if you want to learn all these technical analysis, what I'm showing, and if you want to become an independent professional trader, or you're interested in the institutional trading system, you can message me via Telegram at Magnate8, and one-on-one intense masterclass is available, where I'm going to teach you how to become a profitable and professional trader in the market. And it only takes you 5 to 10 hours to master this all. And during the course, you will learn day trading, scalping, swing, and as well as the long-term as an investor trading systems. So based on a 4-hour time frame, we can see a clear picture how we got rejection, beautiful rejection, second time, and then the third time, and we saw a decent dump in the market. The 0.618 higher time frame Fibonacci, which we took from 17,500 all the way up to this level, which was a local high, $25,200-ish, and that was our first target level, which was a 0.618, the golden pocket. And as you can see, once the price action approached to the first target level, to the dollar, 6.7, you can see we stayed a bit on this level over 6 days, and the second target level was this support. And as I said, the lower line of this support is extremely important, and that's going to be around $19,300, and we'll reach to our first target level as soon as we got a rejection from the daily resistance, as well as the important level of the support. That's your second support level. And both targets met based on a 4-hour time frame. If you manage to exit from $25,000, $24,800, first target level provided around 15% to 16% dump in the market, all the way up to this level, which will reach to our target level inside this box as well. That is over 20% dump in the market. And you don't need to think about the exit at this moment based on a swing 4-hour time frame. As we saw, 6 days we got stuck in here. However, in this support box, we are over 9 days at this stage. And the bulls are getting pressurized at this stage Based on a 4-hour time frame, even if we claim this resistance as a support, and our first resistance is going to be $21,000. However, do not forget that without claiming $22,000, which is this local high, the support resistance, the resistance levels are slightly changed. Without claiming $22,000 as a support, it's going to be early for us to talk about to go all the way up to 23,500, which is the market at the moment is expecting. However, the bulls are getting squeezed in this area. I will be keeping an eye on to this level, $21,000 all the way up to $22,000. But I'm not giving too much attention to $22,000 at this stage, because if you manage to exit from 24,800 level, or that was your first short setup, or 23,500, that was exit from 4-hour time frame for conservative traders, and there is no need to panic at this stage. And I'm not expecting, as I said, the trend change in the next coming days. From 24,800, we saw massive dump, which is a 15% all the way up to over 20% dump in the market. However, based on a 4-hour time frame, once we lost $23,500, $23,000, that was a first target level, 10%. With the current price action, you can see over 15% dump in the market. And if you're doing a leverage with a 5 and 10 times, you do the math for yourself. Moving on to a 2-hour time frame. Based on a 2-hour time frame, we can see clear picture. Again, I'm repeating, these levels are provided weeks in advance. And as you can see, over 9 days, we got stuck right inside this support. And we got perfect rejection after third time, fourth time, rejection from the daily resistance. What are we expecting based on a 2-hour time frame? Based on a 2-hour time frame, if we're going to claim this level of 20,000, 20,200, 2-hour will get back into the consolidation level. However, in order to be bullish based on a 2-hour time frame, we'll have to break 20,700 level, which I kept mentioning in the recent videos as well as in the recent posts. Even if we break 20,700, claim it as a support, that might give a fake out based on a 1-hour as well as the 2-hour time frame, because 4-hour is against lower time frames. 4-hour is heavily controlled by the bears, and therefore I'm not going to pay too much attention at this stage on this level for swing trade. And however, can you get it scalping? Yes, you can have a beautiful opportunity to scalp with the tight stop losses, but we're not going to touch a lot, because if you're not experienced, that's going to be a bit risky for you to take these trades. However, as I said, 20,700 is going to be extremely important based on a 2-hour time frame, and that will give us a bullish setup based on a 2-hour time frame. However, I'm not paying too much attention. But again, if you're expecting to test 23,000, 23,500, that level I would say is a bit unlikely at this stage. But once we break 20,700, $21,000, I will update again. I'm not going to cover 1-hour time frame on this episode, and we came to an end of this episode. And if you guys enjoyed it, do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.